That's why you should never challenge a cat, because this game is all about brain power. This man placed 3 bowls in front of his cat and hid cat food under one of them. Then he mixed all the bowls really well. The cat was given a moment to think and she pointed at the middle bowl. The man lifted it, but there was nothing underneath. Even the cat looked confused, so the man said, "One more chance." This time the cat watched the bowls very carefully and without any hesitation. She placed her paw on the correct bowl and the food straight to the cat. For this intelligent cat, a like and subscribe is definitely deserved.